Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, the focus will be on an Excel tool provided by Microsoft. The goal is to explore how formulas and various functionalities can be used within it. Initially, this will be demonstrated, and later on, the integration of different external extensions and add-ons in PowerPoint will be covered. To begin, the Excel tool being used is called FormulaBot. By clicking on FormulaBot, users can access AI-powered features for data analysis, converting text into charts, generating analysis and tables, and applying advanced models. After reviewing these features, they can be implemented directly through the platform, which is fully web-based. In Excel, when working with sample data, as shown here, there are often needs for specific formulas and a variety of use cases related to data visualization and analytical approaches. In such scenarios, tools like FormulaBot serve as essential collaborators or intelligent assistants to streamline tasks and enhance productivity. A free trial is available to begin using the tool. The tool is fully accessible here without any restrictions. Suppose data needs to be uploaded, such as files from the Downloads folder containing employee information. It can be done directly. This sample dataset is small and contains only fields like employee ID, name, department, hours worked, hourly rate, and the calculated monthly salary. This example was created to show how easily the file can be uploaded and how quickly it processes everything. Once the file is uploaded, the next step is simply confirming the selection. After that, users can ask questions and the tool will generate Excel functions accordingly. However, this feature is very basic. Similar results can be achieved using ChatGPT, where any file can be uploaded and users can ask relevant questions. In addition, it is also possible to include AI-generated columns that automate tasks, assist with data interpretation, and speed up processing. These capabilities provide smart support for more efficient Excel usage overall. In this case, if we try to include AI-based columns, such as adding a column to grade employees based on their work hours, the system handles it efficiently. The work hours vary, some are around 160, while others go up to 190. So we want the tool to assign grades accordingly. Once this instruction is entered, a chat is triggered immediately, and the response provides a direct understanding of the process. Initially, this feature becomes visible while the data is still loading, and we begin receiving related suggestions. Another helpful element is the availability of add-ons. What exactly is an add-on? If someone wants to use add-ons in Excel, they can navigate to the appropriate section and select the FormulaBot add-on. This is similar to how browser extensions work, like in Chrome. In Excel, add-ons function in the same way by integrating into the interface. These add-ons assist users in performing various tasks more efficiently by enhancing the core capabilities of the application. Now, let's suppose we are using the formula bar. At this stage, the add-ins are loading, and the selected add-on will be integrated directly. Up to this point, it's evident that several options have appeared in the chat, such as hourly rate and other related values. These may have been pre-added, but what this tool has done is generate a CSV file of the graded employees. If this CSV file is opened, it shows that the grades corresponding to work hours have been included automatically. For instance, if the work hours are 170, the employee receives an A grade. If the hours are 165 and the lowest among all is around 152, then a C grade is assigned. This is one of the features available here. At this moment, the dataset is displayed. What's happening is that the add-on is now being utilized and it's functioning effectively. In this add-on, it further prompts that for continued access, one must sign up for free and log in. Here we have the try for free option available. We will connect with it, and once we do that, it will directly take us to different available options. We will proceed by signing up using a Google account. At this point, the system becomes fully functional. Now comes the most important feature, which is the formula generator. Here we have successfully integrated the formula generator. This formula generator on the website provides a very flexible option. In this section, we can request that an Excel formula be created. For input, we specify to add the data from the first row up to a specific row. After setting that, we have included the desired option. Once we hit Submit, the formula is generated for us, ready to be used. While on Excel, we need to navigate to the formula input area. Then we enter our request and the result is displayed. For example, we might ask to calculate the mean of a column from F2 to F10. When entered, it processes and shows the result. Here, we will directly include the formula for our calculation. Exactly what it has done is that it has selected the F2 to F10 range within the F column. We will just press enter, and now we can see the mean value displayed. In the same way, if we want to insert the result into another cell, we can select a new cell here. For example, this is the new cell. We will directly insert the result into it. Then, we will be presented with the corresponding option. Suppose I now say that we don't want to use the F column. Instead, we want to use the E column, starting from E2 and going till E10. This is just a simple demonstration of how a column operation works. It will take a few moments to generate the formula. As soon as our formula is created, let's say for the mean again, we will insert and the result will show. Additionally, we also have the option to explain the formula. Once included, it explains how the formula actually works. Now you can observe a detailed explanation provided for the formula. If required, it is easy to understand how the function works in Excel. It clearly states that the average function calculates the arithmetic mean of the numeric values within the range from E2 to E10. For those wanting more in-depth understanding, copying this description into a document gives extended clarity. It not only shows the input arguments, but also outlines the result it produces. Alongside this, a practical example is included to strengthen the explanation. At the conclusion, a well-structured summary explains how the formula operates and what steps are involved in its calculation. This highlights how all Excel functionalities are made accessible with a single click. Moving ahead, enrichments are introduced. These powerful tools assist in sentiment analysis, retrieving data, classifying content, and extracting specific information. Additionally, the free-form mode in FormulaBot allows complete customization. By typing anything into the free-form input, users receive tailored responses suitable for varied use cases. Let's suppose we are here, and as soon as we include this, we receive the value. If we write anything here, for example, we have an option displayed, we will completely go to this section and type it out. You can see that Formula 1 writes a thank you note to the person for gifting this. We can extract data, retrieve information, and perform all relevant tasks. This was the first option. The next thing available is SlidesGo. You can notice it offers free Google Slides themes and PowerPoint templates to create presentations. However, the main useful functionality is the free AI Presentation Maker. SlidesGo truly delivers with its AI Presentation Maker. It generates slides in just a few clicks. To get started, we simply need to provide a topic for the presentation. I will use one of the sample topics here. For instance, this one is added, discover the most interesting traditions in different cultures and their significance. For the number of slides, if we want an informative version, we can select 14 and proceed. What it will do next is design the presentation and format it properly. We will continue by logging in with Google. It will take a few moments to review the content, refine it, and customize the slides for a compelling presentation. It may take a short while to generate everything, but after waiting, we get the content ready and we will accept all of it. Cookies have been accepted. A title slide is now created and all the details are available. An image option is now presented. Which one should be selected? Basic images will be used and the tone will remain professional. Regeneration is not needed as a substantial amount of content has already been provided. The process will proceed from here. A few themes are now visible. This particular theme will be chosen because it is commonly used for design purposes and other tasks. If a different theme is desired from the list, it may require a paid upgrade. This free one will be selected. That other one could be used as well, but this one will be preferred. The presentation can now be generated. While it is being created, it will naturally take a bit of time. The resulting design is visually compelling and using it allows for the creation of more effective presentations. The presentation is now ready for download. Click the button to download it. If it needs to be used in platforms like Google Slides or Canva, an upgrade will be required. The presentation is available in PPTX format, which will be automatically generated and downloaded. Once the download is complete, the file will be accessible directly. Now it can be viewed in a readable window. The option to enable editing is available. If viewed in the web mode, various features such as transitions and animations are already included. This demonstrates how a full presentation is produced with just a single click. All the essential content is there, including contextual images related to African traditions, Asian traditions, European customs, and historical significance. The presentation is thoroughly structured and contains a great level of detail. Each component within the presentation is fully editable. If any change is required, modifications can be made easily. This flexibility proves to be quite useful. For instance, if there is a need to update or change an image, that can be done directly. Additionally, there is an option to return to the main theme settings. If a fresh start is needed, the Start Over feature allows the creation of content entirely based on personal preference or new ideas. Ideas can also be used to create a personalized presentation. There is a limit of 3 downloads available in the free version. After that, to continue unlimited usage, a premium version is required. With the premium plan, full access becomes available without restrictions. The first step involves entering a prompt, followed by reviewing the generated content and then selecting a suitable theme. Through these 3 simple and streamlined steps, the entire presentation is created efficiently. The final result can be reviewed from beginning to end. It is ready to be presented, and the entire creation process takes only 2 to 3 minutes. The presentation will be ready without any complications. So in this video, the Explain tool is called FormulaBot. The complete process of creating a presentation using this tool has been demonstrated. Similarly, in Excel, there are other useful tools as well. Even in Microsoft Word, tools are available that allow users to work more efficiently. By accessing Word, these tools can be utilized easily. Word-based language tools such as ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and others allow text extraction and editing directly. Hopefully, this video provided valuable insights. If it was helpful, consider pressing the like button and subscribing to the channel, and hit the bell icon if you want to get the early notifications of these exciting videos also.